Why do some people grow rich and successful while others stay in the same place all their life? Is it luck? No. The secret is simple. It is the way they think. Today's story will show you how one man changed his life by thinking big. Stay with me because this lesson can change your life too. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a man named Daniel. Daniel worked in a small bicycle repair shop. Every day, he fixed tires, chains, and broken parts. He earned little money, just enough to survive. He thought, "This is my life. I cannot do more." One evening, a man came to Daniel's shop with a shiny electric bike. Daniel was surprised. He had never seen such a bike before. The man smiled and said, "These bikes are the future. One day, many people will ride them." That night, Daniel could not sleep. Future, he thought, "I can barely pay rent. How can I think about the future?" But the man's words stayed in Daniel's mind. These bikes are the future. For the first time, Daniel asked himself, what if I could sell bikes, not only repair them? What if I could do something bigger? It felt impossible. He was just a poor repairman. But a small voice inside whispered, "Think bigger." The next day, Daniel began asking his customers questions. What kind of bikes do you dream of? What problems do you face when riding? He wrote all their answers in a notebook. Slowly, Daniel's thinking started to change. He no longer saw himself as only a repairman. He started to see himself as a businessman. One day, he made a big decision. He bought 2 electric bikes on credit. It was a risk. He placed them outside his shop with a sign, "The future of biking starts here." At first, people laughed. Some said, "Who will buy such expensive bikes?" But 1 week later, Daniel sold his first electric bike. The profit was more than he usually earned in a month. Daniel learned an important truth. When you think small, your life stays small. But when you think big, new doors open. Month by month, Daniel grew. He sold more electric bikes. He repaired old bikes. He even started a small delivery service using electric bikes. The poor repairman was now the owner of the town's first modern bike company. One day, the same man who once inspired him returned. Daniel smiled and said, "Remember when you told me these bikes are the future? Today, I am living that future." Friends, this is the power of thinking big. Your thoughts shape your life. If you believe you are small, you will stay small. But if you believe you can grow, you will find new chances to succeed. So ask yourself, am I thinking small or am I thinking big? Because when your thoughts grow bigger, your life grows bigger too. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple and powerful stories. Always remember, think big.